Well, for 25 years, the Children's Hospital Immunization Bus has made it easier for children to get the vaccines they need. Since the late 90s, that mobile unit has traveled to different locations all around the city, offering free vaccinations to families in the greater New Orleans area. And that work continues today. And we're joined this morning by Lynne Lapani, a nurse at Children's Hospital New Orleans. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, this is amazing, celebrating 25 years for this mobile unit, and you've been part of it for 21. What does this mean?
Oh, Children's Hospital, it's one of the longest standing community benefit programs that Children's Hospital has. Over the past 25 years, we have vaccinated 310,000 children and provided over 600 vaccinations to these children. We're able to reach the underserved and the vulnerable kids in the community.
Yeah, that's fantastic. How many kids do you see per day?
We see about 50 per day.
Okay.
And it's back to school time, so it's very, very busy on the bus from July through October. We have designated locations throughout the city.
That's what I was going to ask. So do a lot of times parents know that the bus is coming and they bring their kids, or they just happen to see it driving down the street and they just catch up with it?
Most people know about the shot bus, and we have our schedules posted online.
Perfect.
But we go out 4 days a week, 2 to 6, so that we can reach the kids leaving school as well as the working parents. This week we're in Kenner today. Tomorrow we're at Gentilly, the Rouses in Gentilly. Wednesday we're on Chapatulas, and Thursday's Marrero, and that's a typical schedule for us. Everybody knows certain days.
This is so important because your kid can't go to school until they have certain vaccines, and I know a lot of parents think, oh, the vaccines are just for like the babies and then they kind of grow out of it, but there's certain vaccines that the older kids need too.
Yes. The 11-year-olds need the tetanus, the meningitis, and the HPV vaccines, and then when they're 16 years old they also need the meningitis, 2 meningitis vaccines.
And you guys have resources to help with communication barriers.
We do, and we see a lot of undocumented children, children from other countries that visit the immunization bus, and we have all of our teaching materials in those languages, and we're often the first point of contact for these families coming to America. And so we're able to help educate them and put them in, connect them with a provider, a pediatric
We only
provider.
have about 10 seconds. Anybody you need to thank, because this has been such an amazing resource for 25 years. We hope to make it 100 more.
Okay, the Office of Public Health is a big supporter for us. They provide our vaccinations to us. And we have Methodist Health Systems Foundation, Kenner Resource Center, as well as the Kenner Hispanic Apostolate. And we have all the locations that we go to that they allow us to park there.
And thank you. I know you run the bus. You're also a nurse, and thank you to everybody who's on the bus, because this is so important in our community. Guys, if you would like more information, we have posted a link at our website, WWLTV.com. You can see the schedule there as well.